The solar tracker is a device or system that tracks the movement of the sun, ensuring that solar collectors or solar panels are always facing the sun to maximize solar energy collection. This technology helps improve the efficiency of solar energy systems, as direct sunlight is generally more conducive to energy conversion than oblique sunlight. In solar tracker equipment, metal pipes are widely used as the basic structure. These metal pipes need to be cut and drilled to enable quick on-site installation. Next, we will showcase one of our customers who purchased our 𝐼-2OA3 laser tube cutting machine for the processing of metal pipes in solar tracker equipment. The equipment is equipped with an automatic loading machine, which can achieve batch continuous automatic loading of round pipes, square pipes, rectangular pipes, and others without manual intervention. The automatic loading machine features automatic sorting of pipes, automotive, length measurement, and face alignment, and supports mixed automatic loading of pipes of different lengths and interconnection with the system. It is highly automated and intelligent. The monitoring window of the equipment displays the laser cutting process in real time. The equipment adopts a German PA bus control system with excellent control algorithms, giving the laser cutting process advantages of high speed and precision. The system supports compound processing with multiple axes and channels. Additionally, the system boasts an advanced open design that allows for convenient customization of personalized interfaces and integration of third-party professional application software such as 𝐏𝐚, enabling the expansion of various applications to meet the requirements of intelligent processing, networking, and information interconnection. With the simultaneous clamping and cutting of the 3 checks, the entire travel of the pipe is stabilized, ensuring that even during long cutting operations, the high-speed rotation of the pipe does not affect the cutting precision and quality. The avoidance function enables zero-tail material cutting and full pipe processing capabilities, thereby improving material utilization. The multi-group receiving floating flap supports, providing flexible material collection. After cutting work pieces of different lengths, flexible material collection can be achieved, avoiding damage to the pipe surface and protecting its quality. Thanks to the efficient, intelligent, and automated processing capabilities of our laser tube cutting machine, our customer is currently utilizing the equipment for 24-hour continuous processing. This has resulted in a notable enhancement in the customer's production efficiency and product quality.